Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You already have the essentials. Now begin. Create a project folder and open it in your editor so files stay organized. Next, create a file named Student. And declare a class student with an init method. Once done, add basic attributes like name, roll number, and marks so you can test behavior. Run the file to ensure no syntax errors and make small changes until the class constructs successfully. This first step gives you a working scaffold to expand. You will now add functionality inside the class. Define calculate total to sum marks and average to divide by subject count. Return numeric results so tests can check them. Use a display method to print formatted output for quick verification. Then write a main block that creates several student objects with sample data to exercise methods. Run the script repeatedly while adjusting logic. This iterative testing reveals edge cases like 0 subjects or missing marks, which you can handle with simple guards. Complete the program by cleaning code and adding documentation strings so you and others understand usage. Refactor repeated code into helper functions and optionally add CSV input to load many student records. Then run through realistic examples and boundary tests such as empty data or non-numeric marks. If something fails, check the error. Attribute error usually means a misspelled property. Type error often indicates wrong data type. Fix those spots. Rerun tests, and then your Class 12 Python program is ready.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.